Okay, dear friends, very good morning. Today we are going to study about the geographical information system. Before going to know about what is geographical information system, it is imperative to know what is information system and how data convert into information. As we know, there is a lot of data on the Earth surface and data is everywhere on the Earth surface, but that data becomes useful when it convert into an information. So to make data convert into an information, we are in need of an information system. As we know that uh, before digital information system, there were many type of information systems. Like we used to use yellow diaries, yellow pages, etc. to name out the phone numbers of any person, any institution. That is also a information system. But data. So first thing is data versus information. Data by itself generally differs from information. Data is of little use unless it transformed into information system. Information is an answer to a question based on raw data. Whatever information we gather, we acquire, we are in need of a raw data, and then raw data convert into information if we have a very good information system. So we transform data into information through the use of information system. Now it is imperative to know about the information system. What is an information system? First thing is clear in our mind that data is everywhere on the Earth surface, and data becomes information when we have an information system. Through one information system, we can transform data into information. So first thing, we want to know what is an information system. Information system use many things, like there are many components of information system: data capturing, data storing, data upgrading, data manipulating, analyzing. All these are the important elements through which we reach to an information. A raw data convert into an information. First is capturing, storing, upgrading, manipulating, and analyzation. All these are the important steps through which we can transfer data into information. So information system means there is already one data storage. When we ask a question, so that question, that query, and or from the other side we find an answer. So we find an that answer convert into our information. Raw data, we do questions, we ask questions, and if we find an answer from other side, so that information give up some information, data, some answer. That answer is information. Information system can be very simple, like telephone directory. Telephone directory is an information system. But in digital information system, when we talk about the digital information system, before computerization, only maintaining text into files, into books, etc. This was the source of capturing and holding information, holding data. But now, in present time, in the digital world, we capture data into computer, we store data into computer, we upgrade data in computer, and analyze data in computer. This is also information system. So our computer system is information system. But is a simple computer system a geographical information system? No. Computer is an information system, but computer is not a geographical information system. So what is the difference between information system and geographical information system? Computer in itself is an information system, but when this information system contains a special data like geographical data, and geographical data, as we know the student of geography, that geographical data only that data is geographical data geographical data that contains lat and latitude, longitude. Only that data, especially special data, that data which is geocoded, that data is geographical data. So when geographical data, geographical special data combined with information system, so we can do some work in GIS environment. Like when we talk about the geographical information system, so now it is clear in our mind, data is everywhere on the surface. Second thing, data becomes information when we know about that data. Unless and until the data is useless if we don't know about the data. So there should be some information system. Information system can be simple, like books, copies, textbooks, telephone directories, and many more things. Those contains information, those contains data, can be a simple information system. This is a hard copy of information system, but after some time we started to get information system information or contain information into digital form, and digital form is in the computers. In our computer we started to hold, we have started to capture, we started to manipulate data in computer. But later on, when GIS started, geographical information system started. So the geographical data, whatever is existed on the surface, whatever is can be geocoded, whatever things are having lat long, can be stored with information, plain information system, and then geographical information system came into existence. GIS links geographical features like geographical entities to tabular data. Tabular data means attribute data. For example, what is the height of a mountain? From which area to which area these mountain ranges exist? How long are these mountain ranges? This is all about the attribute about the or that mountain. How long is this river? This is the attribute of that entity, geographical entity. That geographical entity is river. So in this way we give a definition about the GIS definition. A GIS is a system, hardware plus database engine that is designed to efficiently assemble, store, upgrade, analyze, manipulate, and display geographically referenced information. Data identify it by their locations. It is clear that hardware plus database engine that is designed to efficiently assemble, store, upgrade, analyze, manipulate, and display geographically referenced information. That type of data is called GIS, Geographical Information System. One more definition can be given about it. A GIS also includes the people operating the system and the data that go into the system. Means people are also important, because each and any person that doesn't know about the GIS cannot operate GIS data. This is not like Excel, Word, etc. So knowledge of GIS is required. What are the key features of GIS? Data can be positioned by known spatial coordinates, input and organized generally in layers. As in my class, I already told you that when we go in our real world, all the things come simultaneously in one city. Like there can be roads, there are roads, parks, bridges, people, schools, colleges, many more things are there. So we sit in we can see all the things in a go. But when we are working in GIS, one thing is very important. All the entities, geographical entities like rivers, roads, mountains, schools, colleges, all these geographical entities should be digitized in different layers. We cannot do that. In one layer we digitize road, in one layer we digitize railway line, in one same layer we digitize population, So each and every layer should be prepared separately. Only then only we can work in GIS. Otherwise, if we cannot do any query and we cannot find any information. So layers data should be managed in layers or capture contained in layers, stored and retrieved. So that layers we store these layers in our computer, and whenever we are in required we can retrieve these layers, then analyze, modify and display. These are the key functions of GIS. Ultimately, we can say GIS process starts with defining problem, define GIS criteria, import and build data sets, GIS analysis, output and decision. This is the whole process of geographical information system. Now, thank you very much for listening me, and in my next lecture, I will go on modeling and structuring data. Thank you very much.